Ever wondered how the visually impaired travel? Meet Shubham, a trainer at Nivant Andhmukta Vikasalaya, who is booking a rickshaw using Ola. Shubham has been traveling solo since he was 17, using technology like Google Maps, vehicle booking apps, UPI, and TalkBack features. He is currently using a feature built in every smartphone called TalkBack, which reads out all the words and options on the screen. He even uses Google Maps to track his current location. The TalkBack feature also enables him to use UPI for payments. While visually impaired individuals like Shubham rely on the kindness and support of other people to assist them in situations like these, it takes a lot of resolve and confidence to independently navigate the world and travel solo without sight.
सुरुवातीला मी जेव्हा ट्रॅव्हलिंग करायचो तेव्हा मला कॉन्फिडन्स नव्हता आणि बस स्टॉप वगैरे आल्यानंतर कळायचं नाही. मी कन्फ्यूज व्हायचो आणि घाबरायचो की मी कुठे चुकलो तरी नाही, किंवा बसमधून उतरून चालताना रस्ता थोडासा अनोळखी वाटला की मी लगेच घाबरून जायचो. आणि आता कॉन्फिडन्स आहे, रस्ता चुकला तरी मी शोधून काढू शकतो.